So I guess the lipos are ready. Yeah, I prepared the car, so I'm going to put the lipos in and yeah, let's run. Okay. I said on Facebook Live. Hello. Okay. Let's see what we're gonna get. There's a lot of wind, but it's coming from the back, so no side winds. Yeah, let's see. So oh yeah, I have to set up my GoPro for the slow motion flyby. Okay, let's turn on the car. Straight in and out. Oh yeah, this is kind of important. It's nice that you guys are on Facebook Live, but I need my GPS. Okay, let's go. Wow, really cool run. Very good reception, by the way. Where is it? Ah, here it is. Okay. Connection. Yes, this is the car. Stop. Read. 245. Wow. 12 kilometers an hour faster. Okay, really cool. The lights came on, so curious about how the onboards will look like. So I mounted on my GoPro 7 on the car, and I'm just heating up my lipos. Oh, sorry, warming up my lipos, and doing a bit of dancing. Wow. Okay. Very curious. I don't think I was faster than the earlier run. So let's see. Stop. Read. No, I wasn't faster. 244. Okay. Interesting. Two identical runs. So yeah, like I said, I don't have my laptop with me, but I'm going home and I'm going to compare the runs, and yeah, we'll see. Thank you. Bye bye.